Imagine if the simple act of saying thank you could literally reshape the world around you. Not just your mood, not just your mindset, but the very fabric of reality itself. Sounds wild, right? What if I told you quantum physics, yes, the science of the universe's tiniest particles, backs this up? Today we're diving into the mind-blowing quantum physics of gratitude, revealing why being thankful isn't just good vibes. It is a force that can transform your life. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see how gratitude can create a ripple effect of abundance, and I'll share a simple trick to harness it. Hit that subscribe button and let's jump in. Gratitude. It's a word we hear everywhere. Self-help books, motivational speeches, even your grandma probably told you to be thankful. But let us be real. Most of us think gratitude is just about feeling good or being polite. What if it's more than that? What if gratitude is a key that unlocks a deeper connection to the universe itself? Picture this. You're standing at the edge of a pond holding a single pebble. You toss it in and ripples spread out, touching every corner of the water. That's what gratitude does to your life. It's the pebble, and the ripples are the changes it creates. Today, we're not just talking fluffy positivity. We're going to explore how quantum physics, the science that explains how atoms, electrons, and particles smaller than you can imagine work, reveals why gratitude is a game changer. Before we dive into the science, let us get one thing straight. This isn't about forcing yourself to feel grateful for things that suck. It's about understanding how your focus, your energy, and your intentions interact with the world on a quantum level. Curious? Let's break it down. Okay. Quantum physics sounds intimidating, but I promise we're keeping this simple. Imagine the universe as a giant cosmic soup. Everything, your phone, your coffee mug, even you, is made of tiny particles like atoms and electrons. These particles don't behave like everyday objects. They're weird. They can exist in multiple states at once. They're connected across vast distances. And here's the kicker. They're influenced by observation. That's right. Just looking at a particle can change how it behaves. This is called the observer effect, and it's a cornerstone of quantum physics. Let's make this visual. Think of a slot machine. You pull the lever and the wheels spin, showing all kinds of possibilities, cherries, bars, sevens. Until you stop the machine, the outcome isn't set. Quantum particles are like that slot machine. They exist in a state of possibility until something, like your attention, locks them into place. Now, hold that thought. What does this have to do with gratitude? Everything. Because gratitude isn't just a feeling. It's a way of directing your attention, your energy, and your focus. And in the quantum world, where attention shapes reality, gratitude becomes a superpower. If you're loving this so far, drop a quantum vibes in the comments to let me know you're with me. Let's zoom in on energy. In quantum physics, everything is energy. Particles vibrate at different frequencies, and those vibrations create the world we see. Your thoughts, emotions, and intentions, they're energy too. When you feel grateful, you're not just smiling and saying thanks. You're shifting your energy to a higher frequency, like tuning a radio to a clearer station. Here's a story to bring this to life. Meet Sarah, a friend of mine who was stuck in a rut. She hated her job, her apartment was a mess, and she felt like life was just blah. One day she started a simple habit. Every morning she wrote down 3 things she was thankful for. At first it was hard. Her list was basic, like coffee, my dog, and Wi-Fi. But over time she noticed something wild. Opportunities started showing up, a new job offer, a random discount on her dream vacation, even a cute barista who remembered her name. Was it magic? Nope. It was quantum physics at work. When Sarah focused on gratitude, she was tuning her energy to align with positive possibilities. In quantum terms, she was collapsing the wave function, fancy talk for choosing which reality to lock into. By focusing on what she appreciated, she attracted more things to appreciate. It's like her gratitude was a magnet, pulling in better outcomes. Want to try this? Before we move on, grab a notebook and jot down one thing you're grateful for right now. It could be anything, your cozy sweater, a sunny day, or even this video. Trust me, it's the first step to rewiring your reality. And if you're finding this helpful, smash that like button to spread the quantum love. Now, let's get even weirder with a concept called quantum entanglement. This is when two particles become linked, so what happens to one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Scientists have seen this happen across miles, even galaxies. It's like the universe's version of texting: immediate, no lag. So how does this connect to gratitude? Think of your thoughts and emotions as particles in your personal quantum field. When you express gratitude, you're entangling yourself with positive energy. It's like sending a cosmic text to the universe saying, "Hey, I'm vibing with abundance. Send more of that." And because of entanglement, the universe responds, linking you to people, opportunities, and experiences that match that vibe. Let's go back to Sarah. When she started her gratitude practice, she wasn't just changing her mood. She was entangling her energy with positivity. That job offer? It came from a colleague who randomly thought of her. That vacation discount? A friend shared it out of the blue. These weren't coincidences. They were entanglements, created by her focus on gratitude. Here's a question for you. What's one area of your life where you love more abundance? Love? Money? Health? Drop it in the comments, and let's see how gratitude can start shifting things for you. Now let's talk about the ripple effect. Remember that pebble in the pond? When you practice gratitude, it doesn't just affect you, it spreads. Quantum physics suggests the universe is interconnected like a giant web. Your energy influences others even if you don't see it. Picture a crowded coffee shop. You're in line grumpy because it's Monday. The barista hands you your coffee with a genuine smile and says, "Have an awesome day." You feel a spark of warmth and decide to pay it forward, thanking the next person who holds the door for you. That person, uplifted by your gratitude, smiles at someone else. Before you know it, your one moment of thankfulness has created a chain reaction. This isn't just feel-good stuff. Quantum physics shows us that energy transfers across systems. Your gratitude can literally raise the vibration of the people and places around you. Scientists call this coherence, when systems align in harmony. When you're grateful, you're creating coherence in your life and beyond. Want to test this? Try this challenge. For the next 24 hours, thank someone or something every hour. It could be a coworker, your pet, or even the sun for shining. Notice how it feels and what changes. Share your results in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Now you might be thinking, this sounds great, but what if I don't feel grateful? What if life is tough right now? Totally valid. Forcing gratitude when you're struggling can feel like putting a band-aid on a broken leg. So let's address that. Quantum physics doesn't care if your gratitude is perfect. It's about shifting your focus even slightly. Start small. If you're in a rough spot, try appreciating something tiny, like the fact that you're still here, fighting. That small shift sends a signal to the universe, opening the door to more positive possibilities. Think of it like tuning a guitar. You don't need to get the pitch perfect on the first try. Just get it close enough to play a song. Over time, your gratitude practice will fine-tune your energy, and you'll notice the world responding. If you're skeptical, that's okay too. Quantum physics is all about probabilities, not certainties. Give it a shot and see what happens. You don't need to believe in it, you just need to try it. And if you're enjoying this deep dive, hit that subscribe button and join our community of quantum explorers. So, here's the big takeaway. Gratitude isn't just a nice habit. It is a quantum tool that shapes your reality. By focusing on what you're thankful for, you're directing your energy, collapsing possibilities, and entangling yourself with abundance. It's like you're the director of your own cosmic movie, choosing which scenes to keep in the final cut. Here's your action step. Start a 7-day gratitude challenge. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for and notice how your life shifts. It could be small moments or big wins, doesn't matter. The key is consistency. To make it fun, share your gratitude list in the comments below or tag me on social media. Let's create a gratitude wave together. Before you go, here's a thought to ponder. If gratitude can change your reality, what is one thing you were thankful for that could spark a ripple effect in your life? Drop it in the comments and let's keep this conversation going. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay quantum, stay grateful,